Ginebra started this game carefully. Paubos na yung shot clock, then Scotty finds a way para makatira sa labas si Troy Rosario. Typical Ginebra start. Patient, deliberate, pero effective sa execution. Early confidence boost din for Troy Rosario knowing that he can stretch the floor right away. For SMB naman, nag-rely si Coach Leo sa kanyang mga old gods. Tatlo sa Death 5 is there plus CJ Perez at complementary player na si Bronjal para mabalance. Magandang combination din talaga yan kasi tumitira naman sa labas si Rodney. With that spacing, naging fluid yung ball movement nila, giving Junmar and Perez better angles. Then, they go to Junmar sa poste. Mas okay yung ganitong galaw ni Perez na he'll just be a cutter, rim runner instead na puro isolation at tirang bahala. After ng pasa ni Fajardo, easy layup na lang for him. He should embrace this kind of action moving forward kasi mas efficient siya dito. May mga chances din naman siya kapag open court At ayun na nga, from Chris Ross going all the way. Para naman sa Ginebra, they should run more on Scotty Thompson. Sa tingin ko, siya pa rin ang mas magandang mag-orchestrate ng offense ng Ginebra. He's the one pushing the tempo. Don't settle for some mid-range shots of Japet Aguilar kasi it won't make much difference. Ginebra is a different team when Scotty runs, attacks the defense, and find good shots for his teammates. Pagdating ng second half, ayun na nga, Perez should take away that kind of habit sa laro niya. Mas mataas yung rate ng turnovers at bad shot selection. Same thing then for Ginebra, they're better when Scotty is running the floor, fast break, and early attacks. Sa endgame, makikita mo na good things happen if nasa paint si Japet instead na nasa perimeter. Kapag nasa paint siya, nagko-collapse yung defense, leading to that open 3 from Troy Rosario. I know he's old pero effective pa rin if he wants to be. That inside presence opened up Ginebra's offense late. Then muntik na naman sana si Perez mag-turnover, buti na lang nabigay niya sa labas and Chris Rosales just hit that one. Broken play pero pumasok, so you'll take that. Pero nabawi rin agad ni Stephen Holt sa kabilang banda. Sana bigyan talaga si Holt ng green light kasi kapag dumadalo yung offense sa kanya, mas compose sila as a unit. Sayang pa yung possession na to, almost steal na pero nag-rush, nag-stumble with the ball, steal by SMB, easy 2 points for Junmar. And then Scotty Thompson hits a 4-pointer para bumaba yung lamang. Pagbalik ng bola sa Ginebra, kailangan nila ng 4-point shot to tie the game. Pero Japet Aguilar opted for a dunk kahit hinihingi ni Scotty sa outside yung bola. At lahat nagulat. But may chance pa rin naman yung Ginebra for the final shot to win this game. So, Chris Rosales, pinatalbog kay Troy Rosario para sana mag-out of bounds kasi mafa 5 seconds na siya. Pero na-steal, tumakbo yung Ginebra, RJ Abarrientos, binigay kay Scotty for the game winner. Ayun, mintes lang. So, GG sa Dubai.